How to recover Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can recover Facebook account. Now recovering Facebook account is quite simple and easy. Now if you just deleted your account, or if you just deactivated your account, or if you deleted your account permanently, what you can do is, if the 30 days limit has not crossed, remember that 30 days has to be crossed in order for your Facebook account to be deleted permanently once you delete it. So if you haven't deleted it, if you deleted it and 30 days hasn't crossed, what you can do is simply head into Facebook login page and type in your email and password, and then simply log into your account. You'll be able to log in. You'll have to, however, cancel the deletion. Before it, you'll get an option to cancel the deletion. However, if it got blocked by some other reasons and you are not being able to access your account and you want to recover it, what you want to do is head into your browser and search in for Facebook support. Simply search in for Facebook support, and there you'll get this link here. You can see various options. Head into the option recover your Facebook account. Simply tap on recover your Facebook account and you'll get an interface like this. Now what you can do is, you'll find the link here. You can see facebook.com login identify. Simply tap on it here, and on browser what you want to do is type in your email or type in your mobile number and then search in for your account, and then try it log in from your browser. And on browser it will give you various other options that you'll be able to recover your account. However, if this doesn't help, what you want to do is, at the top of your screen you'll find the three horizontal line icon beside the search icon there. Tap on it and tap on support inbox here, and what you want to do is log into other account or log into that account that you're trying to. However, if you want to get logged in, log into another account and then type in the report and send in and support Facebook support. And once you do this, they should be able to get back to you and they should be able to help you solve the issue. This is the only way you can recover your Facebook account. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.